Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I took a buy trade on Boom 300 index at this point. You can see I'm moving nicely well. I had this trade on since 5 a.m. and this actually 8 a.m. So it's been on for 3 hours. I got into a trade at this point at this particular zone. That's why I got into a trade. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys this simple price action market approach and strategy. So do it to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis and strategy. And if you're new to the channel, do it to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. I see it every day, guys. Let's do more. So coming to the weekly time frame, basically we've seen that Boom 200 index has been bearish. We've seen the long-term sells at this point. The first thing we do whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities is to identify the market direction. And we've seen at this point that the market has been bearish, has been on a long-term downtrend. Let's check how long the market has been selling. Market has been selling since March last year, over a year plus now. The market has been on a long-term downtrend, a long-term sell-off. So what is the market situation basically? Let's go to the daily time frame so we can able to identify our market structure, levels and zones. So on the daily time frame, we've seen that market is trading from a level of resistance as we've seen at this point. This level has been an important level basically. Market sold from as a resistance, came back to test it again, sold from it, two sells from this one's resistance. Market still came back to test the same level again as a resistance. We've seen the sell off from it, and we have a level as well which we have to identify. So we always do it to identify our levels and zones properly because they are our key entry points. So you've seen on the daily time frame that the market has been acting on a level of resistance. You got the market sell from here as a resistance, sell from here as a resistance. We had this level as a support that finally got broken at this point. I never saw what level is broken, turns to resistance. And when this level got broken, you can see there was a retest on it at this point. There was a retest at this zone. So this is like a retest of our broken level of support, a break and retest of it for the sells to the downside. So in the break of this level, basically, we're expecting the market to give us a push to the upside, which generated this couple of buys we've seen at this point. Market has been bullish for a few days now. This bullish move was actually giving us a retest on this our broken level of support. This is our broken level of support and resistance, and we've seen on the test of this one, the market rejected from it. So that's it basically on the daily time frame. And we have this level too, which we have to identify as well. We have this level as a level of support. The market is yet to test this level again. We've got the market test this level 3 times. The first test on this zone, the second test, and the third test. So there's a possibility that we could see a rejection from this our level of resistance for a further sell to the downside on the daily time frame. So possibly let's look at for the sales on the daily time frame. Sales expected on the daily time frame. So let's go to the forward time frame to look at for market structure to identify our zones and levels, our possible market moves. So on the forward time frame, what am I buying since I'm looking at for sales in the market? What am I buying at this point since I'm looking at for the market to sell at this zone? So you can see that on the forward time frame, market formed this clear uptrend structure and it's advisable to trade alongside with the market direction. So we've seen clearly on the forward time frame that the market has been creating higher highs and higher lows. We got a high at this point, we got a high at this zone, and that high, a higher high, we got a low here, a higher high. Like the market has been giving us this higher highs and higher low structure in the forward time frame. So we have levels and zones which we have to identify in this our uptrend, our level of entries. Whenever the market is in an uptrend, our focus should be mainly on the buy side of the market. So here on the 1 hour time frame, we've seen that the market structure is clear here. The market direction, the market zones and levels. Market created a high at this point, created a low at this point. There was a low here, there was a low at this point basically, and there was another high, but a higher high at this zone. So this is giving us an upward market direction. We have a low at this point, a higher low. We got another high at this point, a higher high. We got a low here, a higher low. Identify your market structures and levels properly. Identify where the market is headed to, then trade alongside with it. That would give you an edge in the market. We got another high at this point, a higher high, a higher low. The market has been creating series of higher highs and higher lows, which is clearly seen on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so we got this level as an important level, as a key level, a level of resistance. So finally, the market is broken and retested to a level of resistance. And whenever a level of resistance is retested, it turns to a support. So you can see the retest on this zone. So possibly the buy is expected at this point. And we've seen the previous market structure, the previous market formation. We have this level as an important level, as a key level basically. We've seen the market sold from here as a resistance, sold from here as a resistance. There was a break of this our level of resistance, turned support, break and retest on it for the buys to the upside. There was another retest at this point. So if the market can give us a clear break of this our resistance level with a retest on it as a support, it can still do the same at this point. Our resistance level got broken, retested as a support. So you can see the rejection at this point. So I entered on a candlestick rejection at this zone. I saw this bullish pin bar at this point. So I entered at this point for a good buy. I've been holding this trade basically. We're moving in profit. Though I've closed out some positions, I've taken partials at this point. So possibly expecting the buys at least to this point, even though we are looking out for the sells generally on the higher time frame. The short-term buys are still expected. So I'm taking advantage of the short-term buys on the 1 hour time frame. So let's expect more buys basically on Bund 200 index. So that's my analysis, price action analysis, working in market direction on the lower time frame, analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. So we just got a spike right now. We just got a spike to the upside. You can see the market is still bullish. Let's expect more buys in the coming hours on Bund 300 index. If we're able to identify the market direction on a lower time frame, then walk alongside with it. There was a clear break and test of this our level of resistance turned support, adding up to the market direction. So there's a possibility, there's a higher hand on the buy side of the market to the sell side. That's why the market is easily moving to the upside. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the buys on Bund 200 index. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button for more videos like this. Drop a good comment on this video and subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Follow us engaging in my videos, liking, commenting. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. Peace.